Hi everyone, in this video I'll be giving you some handy tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your new iPad 9 generation if you have. So guys, first of all, I'll be starting with swiping tricks. So if you really want to make the use of your swiping short tricks on your iPads, you just need to forget your home button. And if I want to go to home, you just need to swipe up like this. And if you want to do multitasking, you can do that. If I have, suppose I have already opened two applications and I want to do multitasking, what I have to do is, and there's also one thing, guys. If you swipe up, and you can access to multitasking apps. Like if you want to manage the application, you can swipe up and hold it to access all the application. And if you want to guys switch between two application, like I want to switch from this application to another, I don't need to do anything. I just need to swipe left or right from by using four fingers like this, and you will be switched to other application, as you can see. So you have to use your four fingers to do that, and it's simple and smooth. So one more thing you can do is, and suppose guys, if you want to access quick access to brightness, volume, Wi-Fi, and more, you just need to swipe up from the right top. And here you can manage, you can increase or decrease your brightness, or you can control your volume as well. Also, you can turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi. And also, these light mini settings you can do in this pocket screen or pocket type of interface. So, so this is called a control center. So you can also manage this control center from your settings. You just need to go to in settings and tap on this control and center. And here you can manage it. You can add and delete from the shortcut menu here. And also, guys, on iPad, you can select any text on the web browser or anywhere, and just you can call copy anytime, and just open a new tab, or you can paste your text as well by your keyboard. Just tap on this icon over here, and you will be able to paste your text anywhere on the iPad. One more thing you can do if you want to do multitasking, you just need to tap on this three dot over here and tap on split view, and you can choose other application that you want to use side by side with the browser, or anything you want to combine with your application. And you can see you can work side by side on two applications directly. So yeah, these are the tips you can on your iPad on daily routine, and you can utilize your iPad for more productivity. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.